Hello everybody. Today, in this episode of Dinosaur Island, Logan, our Tyrannosaurus Rex, is going to explore the rocky deserts. But before we get started with that, let's check in on our Dinosuchus. Wait, actually it did die. Well, I'm not sure, but if it did die, another one did come in. As you can see, its lake is all dried up, which is not too good. May not survive. For the Tyrannosaurus Rex, it is mating season, and Logan has not found a mate yet. But he has seen lots of T-Rexes in this desert, so he's going to try to find one. As I said, the rock desert goes on for miles and miles and miles. Never ending. So what it looks like, up ahead, Logan is shocked at what he sees. He sees a female Tyrannosaurus Rex. This is his chance to mate with her. He runs as fast as he can. And finally, they meet face to face with each other. And they bond. A couple meters away, a young Dimetrodon, we're going to call Dimey, is wondering. He wanders off to hide from the T-Rexes. He goes out of the rock desert in a little patch of grass to hide. See him right there? Okay. And so, again, Logan and his mate have mated. Now they're looking for food to hunt. But suddenly, something strikes. It shakes the earth. The dinosaurs have no idea what it is. It is an earthquake. As you can see over here, the earth is already starting to crack. There's a big place over here. Do you think the dinosaurs will survive? Yes, they will survive. It's going to be tough. Back over here at the herbivore valley, a Brachiosaurus goes into the forest of yellow leaves. The Parasaurolophus hides in the forest that the baby Stegosaurus and the Strachosaurus were feasting on in the second episode. A Strachosaurus does not know what to do. So it takes him hours, but he goes to the other side of the island, almost on the beach, right over here. And he hides under a big thing of grass. So if the earthquake goes on for days, he'll have lots and lots of food so he can survive. Back out in the rocky desert, Logan and his mate are still sitting there. They're heading back to the jungle. But, as we said, the rock desert goes on for miles, so they have no idea what to do. Suddenly, they're just walking around, and they find the valley that we were just in. It is not the same one as I've been showing you. They know it's not their. Logan knows it's not his normal home, but they're gonna go there anyway. P.S. It actually is the place I've been showing you. There is one thing still out there. A baby stegosaurus. But Logan and his mate do not care. They just go off into the forest of yellow bushes. The baby stegosaurus is not going to survive the earthquake. But it's not because of the earthquake. It's because of a predator. It does not care a thing about the earthquake of a velociraptor. He looks above and sees something. Pterosaurs. He hates pterosaurs. He thinks they sound annoying. He runs off into the jungle to escape the noise. And over here in the forest, see if I can get the Brachiosaurus and the T-Rexes are having a fight. So far, the Brachiosaurus is losing. The old giant is no match for two full-grown male and female Tyrannosaurus Rex. However, this place does have a Dinosaur. And as the same place, it is all dried up. The Dinosaur is not happy about this. He wants water. Then again, another strike hits. Back over here on the other side of the island, the Styracosaurus is enjoying his life when there's a big earthquake going on. Hey! But that noise was not the Styracosaurus. On the other side, there's an Ankylosaurus feeding on some brush. Let me get to the other side where you can see him. Good. Another earthquake hits. This is no normal earthquake. It's a crazy earthquake. Back in the forest of yellow leaves. Except that was not the earthquake. That was the Brachiosaurus. Tyrannosauruses have got him for good. Then they drag him out of the jungle. And starts feasting on the carcass. The female Tyrannosaurus, and Logan's mate, bites the neck on the Brachiosaurus. And then Logan rips her belly open. They work together to kill the old Titan. And they do. Then, another earthquake thing. Another earthquake does it. But Logan, just to let you know already, Logan's mate is not going to survive too long. I'll give you a hint. The Dinosaur is starving. So the Dinosaur quietly walks out of his dried up lake, sneaks past Logan, and behind the female Tyrannosaurus, Dinosaur opens its mouth and strikes. Logan is so mad. He roars in anger. He comes up on the Dinosaur in surprise. Bites his heart out. But luckily, the female Tyrannosaurus Rex is okay. So I take that back about her not having a long life. She's alive. And they both start feasting on the Brachiosaurus. For some reason, just like in the first episode, they roar in victory. The female is standing on top of the Brachiosaurus, very proud, but then another shake knocks her off her feet. Back over here, the Velociraptor comes out of the forest. He sees Logan and his mate. Now, Logan's fought a Velociraptor like this before. You've seen it before in episode 3, maybe. So Logan's ready. Well, he doesn't know that the Velociraptor's there, because the Velociraptor camouflages. Of course, we can see him. They're feasting on the Brachiosaurus. Suddenly, the raptor makes a noise. Logan looks. He sees him.